And now, preview time.
Isn't it strange, Wikipedia, given what you've just seen there? Isn't it strange that on Wikipedia, I've just looked through the whole thing, yeah, and it only goes as far as F3 when they're talking about it. Well, F2, F3, etc. Right? Keep looking. You won't see F4 or higher anywhere on here, right? And I've looked already, right? Forget all the quotes from famous peoples and stuff that don't exist or fucking were actors. Just don't worry about that. Just look for F4 or higher. Right. It doesn't say it anywhere. It just goes F1 to 3. Right. There's a lot of coding in here as well, like cat codes and things. They really do take the piss, honestly. And it doesn't mention anything apart from that. There's no mention of anything. Like F1, F2, F1, F2, 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 F1. It goes as far. It only mentions F3 there. It doesn't mention it anywhere else. And then it says etc. It doesn't want to go on about. We don't want to talk about anything else. Isn't that interesting? In a bit.